Hey everyone, Paul Ezel, the Virtual Investor here. And today I want to talk about the most important thing you need to do when you're bidding on auction properties. All right, let's dive in on it right now. So the number one most important thing you need to do when you're bidding on these properties is your proper due diligence. And proper due diligence, the first thing to do, and I tell this to all of our students, the first most important thing to do is contact that listing agent. If there's a listing agent on that property, contact that listing agent. Now, why do you want to contact the listing agent? Well, to me, it's really simple. You're going to get firsthand knowledge from somebody who's been to the property, especially if it's in a market where you're not living in, you can't go to it. But you're going to get somebody with firsthand knowledge of what the property needs, repair-wise, condition, after repair value, the as-is value, and everything overall. So you know if you're bidding on a property that, let's say the starting bid is 40 and your ARV is coming, your after repair value is coming in at 55, and you talk to the agent and the agent said, well, we had this before it went on auction, we had offers at 65. Well, then you know you got a good deal if you can pick it up 55 or under. So you got firsthand knowledge from somebody, all right, you had bids on it for 65. Now, potentially you could get higher because the market just continues to increase, but just look 65 as good baseline. So you're going to bid up to your 50 to 55, make sure with the buyer's premium, because remember there's a buyer's premium, typically 5% on these properties. So that's another $2,500 if you're up to $50,000. So make sure you factor that in when you're purchasing, plus your closing cost. So for me, if it's starting bid's 40, I'm going to go to 45. I'm going to keep it at 50 or under, so I can keep under 55 with all my closing costs, buyer's premium, all those things. Sell it for 65 and make a nice 10K profit spread. So that's basically what you need to do. And that's the reason you need to contact these agents. I can't express this enough. Too many of our students don't do this. They're bidding on properties. They win the bid, they bring it to me, and I tell them it's not a deal. And I ask them, the first thing I ask is, did you contact the listing agent? And 90% of the time they tell me no. That's not what I want to hear. This is number one on your list. Contact that agent. If it's a property you're interested, just pick up the phone, email them. I do both. Text them if you find out it's their cell phone. Bug them, get that information from them. They're going to be able to give you firsthand knowledge of this property that you're not going to get. You're not going to get it from somebody you just send out to the property. You're not going to get it. Maybe you'll get it from a realtor if you find a local realtor, boots on the ground, to go take a look at the property for you. But this is going to be your quickest, easiest way. So remember that. Number one, most important thing to do is to contact the listing agent. I'll send videos on the next steps, but that's step number one. Thanks, guys. Take care.